taking a folder and creating an ISO file. Hey there, this is Tom with Tom's Tech Show, and thanks for tuning in today to the video. If you're not subscribed, hit the little subscribe button down there. I've gotten a lot of subscribers recently because of, Disney Galaxy Star Cruiser, things. But this is the other part of this channel, which is technology and things that I kind of do my day job and stuff. Just trying to, the information's up here, and it's better to be, out in the world so that other people can find it. And it's been very great, over the last 3.5 years, some 500-600 videos that are up on my channel. Just being able to put out information for everybody and having great conversations. It's awesome. So thanks everybody for doing that. Thanks for subscribing and being part of, the small community that we're, trying to build as a individual, YouTuber. So one thing that I do is I work with VMware, and you have a lot of virtual machines and things in a data center infrastructure. And sometimes I need to be able to quickly get a bunch of files and consistently bring those files and, get them installed. We're installing a bunch of utilities. We're installing a bunch of, different programs that are always on every box. And so we'll spin up a new VM, and we need to be able to install those. You can make a template with them all in it, but sometimes you want to be able to update them and update your main core, without having to download them. And to do that, I create an ISO file. So an ISO file is a disk image file, a CD image file that you can, put whatever you want on it. And to create one very quickly, I use a program called Folder to ISO. So I have all the files that I need. I place them in a folder, and then quickly and easily, we're able to just take that and create an ISO from it. So here we have the file. You can go to the download page, click which download you want for your operating system, and then you'll get let's come back here, go to downloads. You'll get this folder to ISO file. Now make sure you, of course, right click it, and this is Windows 11, so it's stupid, and you have to click show more options, and you say scan with Windows Defender. So that way we know, okay, it's scanned, there's nothing in it, that's harmful. We can even do that with the main program once we extract it. Say show more options, Microsoft, get it together, and scan that file, and boom, we've gone through, scanned, nothing in it. Because this website, I know, looks a little old and very, early 90s, but yeah, the program still works. So we just run it, and it brings up this little dialog box, and you click the first folder here, which is to select the folder that you want to put into an ISO. We're just going to do my talk show directory here, and then we're going to select the output, and we're going to put that on the desktop here. We're going to call this files.iso. Pretty quick and easy. Hit save, and then you can give it a label, files, and then just click generate ISO, and it's going to get all the files and put them into an ISO on the desktop. And here is this ISO file right here, and we can double click it, and it will open up, and we'll see Windows will mount it, and then it will show you all the files inside of that. So let's eject it so that we can delete it later. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Then from there, what I would do is I would take that file and copy it up into the data store in my VMware infrastructure, and then I can go and mount it to, I can either mount it by script, or I can mount it, manually through the interface and be able to, install stuff and everything in the VM if I have to. You can use, these ISO files for anything. I mean, you can take that and then burn it onto a CD, and then give it to somebody else, to share, any of those kinds of things. So that's quick and easy there. So folder to ISO, something I use now and again to get files up to VMs and stuff when I'm working and need to move some files around and have some just a place for consistent files just to load onto something quickly. All right. Well, thank you for watching and subscribing and everything else. So if you have any questions about this, or you have any other topic that you would want me to cover on this channel, then go ahead and comment below. I do have my other more grittier channel, Tom's Talk Show. There'll be a link in the description, as there will also be a link to the folder to ISO website down there. So thanks for watching. Take care.